This is Institutional Video Journal number 7. So this week I would like to have spoken to the Goodwill personnel and gotten a chance to interview them about the career center that they have there. But I have not been able to get in contact with our point of contact in that area. But I'll keep trying, and hopefully we can get an interview set up sometime next week so we can kind of put an end to the interviews and the filming and really focus on continue editing and, completing this film that we're making. But as of right now, I have made a few calls and just haven't heard back. But hopefully, I'm hopeful that we'll be able to speak to someone and get something set up. But as of right now, we're just editing and creating the script, getting the script ready and everything, voicing, all that stuff. Just doing what we can until we can get this last interview session done. But that's really all we have right now. Hopefully I have more to tell you next week on Video Journal 8. All right.